Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your video in CapCut. Firstly, download and install the CapCut app on your PC or mobile. Open the CapCut app and create or select a project. Add your video files. Then go to the Audio tab, then Sounds. Choose a song from your phone by selecting from Files or Your Sounds. Or alternatively, you can extract audios from the video using Extracted tab. Also, CapCut has a massive audio library you can use music and sound effects from. You can also browse your iTunes library under From Library. Then after you find your song, confirm your selection by tapping the blue plus pin or sign. Next, edit the video to sync the video with your music and then hit export. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.